This property is truly a gem in the heart of Makati City, presenting Eluria by Arthaland and Arch Capital. If you're looking for a condominium which combines excellent design, a premium level of comfort and convenience, and a central location, then this tour might be for you. I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and today we are touring the showroom of Eluria, a one-of-a-kind development here in Makati City. Eluria is a brand new residential tower developed by Arthaland, a publicly listed company and the foremost green property developer in the Philippines. Arthaland has an impressive residential and commercial portfolio which includes the Aria Residences and Arthaland Century Pacific Tower in Bonifacio Global City, Cebu Exchange in the Visayas region, Sevina Park Villas in Laguna, and Savia Financial Center in Taguig City. Eluria is a combination of the words elan, flourish, and allure, and it evokes the feeling of grandness, enthusiasm, and passion. All are elements which have gone into the creation of this magnificent development. And now let's begin by taking a look at its 288 square meter, 3-bedroom, fully furnished model unit. Let's go! Let's begin with your elevator, which directly opens up to your unit. You have an elegant marble design, brass trimmings, bronze mirrors, and chevron patterned wood panels as well. And here we are. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You're immediately welcomed by a spacious hallway area, which is also your foyer space. The first thing that you notice here is the significant ceiling height, which is approximately 3 meters. It's important to note that this, being a model unit, has upgraded finishes, which are different from the turnover finishes of the property. But of course, we can assure you that the turnover finishes for the actual building will be of premium quality materials, and those will all be laid out for you in the contract before you purchase your unit. Now let's take a look here towards your indoor terrace garden. Now, the design of this area has included, for this model unit, these walnut slats to have that feeling of separation. This can be a great additional lounge area or even an area where you can entertain guests initially upon entering the property. And right beside the main entry, you have controls for the lighting of the property right here. So this is a smart home in that aspect as well. And here's a unique feature. You have a UV valet closet, which can be accessed through the service elevator on the other side of this space by your staff and the butler service of this building. So this is a great combination of convenience and wellness as well. Now here we are at your living space. This unit was designed with a timeless contemporary feel in mind with touches of Art Deco. You also have beautiful cove lighting here. From this angle, you can appreciate the number of windows lining this entire side of the unit. And another great feature of this property is that it has low E-glass windows, which means that these windows minimize the amount of UV rays and infrared rays that go into the house without minimizing the amount of actual daylight that flows into the property. And now from here, let's take a look at your gourmet kitchen. You have a spacious quartz countertop that can easily fit 5 stools, excellent as a meal prep area, a central hub for the home. You can imagine having this as a breakfast nook as well for the family. You have high quality European branded appliances for your kitchen already included. And this particular show unit has a soft rose gold design as well for the splash tile area. Now from your modern kitchen, you also have immediate access towards your auxiliary kitchen space. Let's take a quick look. Now on top of your well-organized kitchen, you also have a proper auxiliary kitchen space with its own appliances right here. In addition, you have a staff room here on the other side. Of course, the designers also factored in the functionality of having a laundry area. And to orient you even further, there's access from here towards the service elevator. And this is where you can access your UV valley closet. Also have access here towards your main hallway space. So you can imagine having your groceries move through this space towards your staff area as well. Head back towards the main amenity space. Now we're back here in your gourmet kitchen. Let's explore your dining area. In terms of the size, it can easily accommodate a table for 10 people, and it's positioned at the corner of the property, so you have light coming in through these 2 large windows. This space is further accentuated by this unique light fixture and additional artwork throughout the space. And you can access from this side your balcony area. Let's take a quick look. And from this angle, you can appreciate the size of your balcony space and the height of the ceiling here. It also has these operable shutters, which is an elegant design rounding around the corner here and adds to the beauty of the facade of the building. You can also access this area from your primary bedroom. And here we are at your primary bedroom. You're welcomed by an elegant lighted bookcase design. And you have an upgraded design right here for your closet space. And this creates a division between your bathroom area and the main bedroom space, which can easily accommodate a king-sized bed. Once again, with a beautiful marble backdrop wall right here and wooden and copper accents to have a layering of color consistent with the contemporary feel of the space. And from here you have access towards your balcony space. And let's take a quick look at your bathroom area. And for your primary bathroom, you have a dual vanity sink space and top of the line fixtures. Time to explore the other side of the unit where you have your second and third bedrooms. Let's go. Let me tell you, it's such a refreshing feeling to walk through such a spacious unit. You almost forget that it's a condominium unit. It has the feel of a single detached, single level home. Now we're back here in your main hallway space, where you also have interior design wise a nice sideboard area and an art piece by Fred Baldemore, an accomplished local artist. Now let's take a look here at your second room. I also want to point out the solid camagong door with a burl walnut design for this model unit. And this particular room has been set up as a home office space. So this shows you the flexibility of a 3-bedroom unit. If you don't particularly need all 3 rooms to be a spaces where you can sleep, you can turn one into a multi-purpose room, home office, playroom, music room, study room. But right now, with the lighted shelves here, this makes for a fantastic workspace. And it also has its own ensuite bathroom. In addition, for the convenience of your guests as well, and for the occupants of this property, you have your powder room, which is immediately accessible from your hallway space. Now let's take a look at your third bedroom. Once again, with an ensuite bathroom. But this has been set up with a book-matched marble design with wood slats on both sides to accentuate the space, with this recessed cabinetry here on the other side. And having these 2 rooms here on this side of the property also creates a feel of privacy from the primary bedroom on the other side. Now that we've completed the tour of this 288 square meter 3-bedroom showroom unit, it's now time to talk about the top 3 reasons why Eluria is a beautiful home to live in. Reason number 1, excellent location. Situated on 119 Rada Street, Eluria is ideally located near major roads, lifestyle centers, parks, institutions, and schools in the financial heart of the country. For avenues and connections, it's just 1 to 2 kilometers away from Ayala Avenue, Metro Manila Skyway, South Luzon Expressway, 1 Ayala, and EDSA, and is just 7.7 kilometers away from the airport. For lifestyle environments, it's just 1 to 3 kilometers away from Greenbelt, Glorieta, SM Makati, Century City Mall, Ayala Mall Circuit, and Power Plant Mall. For medical and health facilities, it is near Makati Medical Center and St. Luke's Medical Center, Global City. In addition, for parks and green spaces, it is just 1 kilometer away from 4 to 5 parks around the property. And for schools and educational institutions, it's near Asian Institute of Management, DLSU Center for Professional Development, Ateneo Graduate School of Business, Assumption College San Lorenzo, and Colegio San Agustin Makati. This prime location assures that every need and convenience is within your reach from your home. Reason number 2, world-class green building design. Designed by FMB Architects based in Sydney, Australia, Eluria's architecture and design is geared towards sustainability, energy efficiency, and wellness for its occupants. Let's begin by talking about the property size. It's located on a 916 square meter lot with 31 stories with 20 residential floors, a roof deck, amenity level, the ground floor, and 8 podium levels for parking. The building structure is low density with just 37 limited edition units with only 2 spacious units per floor that allow maximum ventilation and light through 3 sides of the building. The available units in the development are the following: the 3-bedroom South Residence Unit with a floor area of 294 square meters and the 3-bedroom North Residence Unit that we just toured with a floor area of 288 square meters. Eluria has also been pre-certified or registered under well-known external organizations that certify the building's adherence to international standards of sustainability and sound environmental design principles. It's pre-certified gold under LEED, registered for WELL, EDGE, and BERDE certifications. This translates to the following building features. For sustainability, it has a 35% glass ratio for the building's facade to optimize daylight and energy savings. It also has electric vehicle charger-ready parking spaces as well as rainwater management to collect and store rainwater as an alternative source for watering plants. It also has a materials recovery facility for proper centralized waste collection, segregation, and storage coupled with recycling programs. And it also has bicycle racks to promote a more convenient and healthier means of transportation. For wellness features, it also has low-emitting and non-toxic building materials to reduce the risk of exposure to harmful compounds. It also has a cottager garden for a supply of fresh, organic, and sustainably grown produce. It also has an indoor amenity area equipped with energy recovery ventilator technology to improve indoor quality by bringing in fresh, filtered air while controlling the humidity for thermal comfort. Reason number 3 on what makes Eluria a beautiful home to live in is premier services. What truly sets Eluria apart is its prestige white glove butler services provided by personnel who have undergone intensive training in the International Butler Academy in the Netherlands. So their training covers housekeeping, household management, and even estate management. These services include incoming mail, parcel, and package handling, incoming food and beverage order specialized handling, complimentary daily newspaper delivery, escorting the residents to their private elevator lobby, welcoming and announcing guest arrivals, building amenity and facility reservations, and amenity and facility usage assistance. Thank you for joining us in this tour of Eluria by Arthaland and Arch Capital. If you want to know more about this property or visit the showroom in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and see you in our next video.